Ever pondered how your smartphone can recognize your face among billions of others? It's all thanks to deep learning. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, which itself is a branch of artificial intelligence, is the backbone of many technologies we use today. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, deep learning is the silent partner in our tech-driven world, making our interactions smoother and more intuitive. It's more than just complex algorithms. Deep learning is a tool that's transforming the world around us. Think deep learning is too complex to grasp? Think again. It's just about patterns and data. At its core, deep learning is a process that mimics the human brain, taking in raw information and transforming it into something meaningful. Imagine a child learning to recognize a square or a circle. They start with a raw shape, a jumble of lines and curves. But over time, they begin to identify patterns, to see the squareness of a square, the roundness of a circle. In a similar vein, deep learning algorithms use multiple layers to progressively extract higher-level features from raw input. They start with the basic data, then peel back layer after layer, each one revealing a new level of understanding. These systems learn to identify patterns to make sense of the chaos. So you see, deep learning isn't so much a mountain of complexity as it is a journey of discovery. Just like a child learns to recognize shapes and colors, deep learning systems learn to recognize patterns in data. So, what should you remember about deep learning? Well, it's critical to remember that deep learning is a pivotal part of AI. This fascinating field is all about pattern recognition. It's the engine humming beneath the hood of many of the technologies we interact with daily. So, while deep learning may seem like just another buzzword, it's far from that. It's a tangible reality, continually reshaping our world, making it smarter, more intuitive, and more connected. Deep learning may seem like a buzzword, but it's a reality that's reshaping our world every day.